Namaste everyone and welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. First of all, I would like to greet you everyone, happy 2021, and I have decided that from tomorrow onwards we are going to have 30 days challenge, yoga challenge. In this we'll try to modify and try to bring more and more variations in the class. So what you need to bring in the class is a yoga mat. If you don't have a yoga mat, no worries, just make sure you have a blanket or a carpet where you use a smooth and flat surface. Then what we need is, if you have a block, one of the best thing. But if you do not have yoga blocks, then you may also use a bunch of books as an alternative practice. You can use a bolster in few asanas if you need it, like cushion or pillow is also fine. We also use a strap or a towel in replacement of a yoga strap. So these equipments will do great for your practice if you are complete beginners. And yes, we will take it very slow. We will go one after the other how you need to reach in the asanas, and we'll see the transformation in next 30 days. I know, my dear friends, that it's not gonna be easy. It is challenging, yet commitment, like you need to commit to yourself that I am going to do that next 30 days challenge for yourself, for your betterment. And it's not only the physically we are going to work on, we'll also work on the mental aspect, on the emotional level. So we'll have in this 30 days we'll have the varieties of class like Hatha Yoga, then we'll have spine care class, we'll have Yin Yoga class, some days only breathing exercises, and one day meditation or Yin Yoga, Yoga Nidra. So this kind of practice we are going to do it. Sometimes we can do power yoga or how to do asanas from one transition to another one. So I hope you guys are excited for the next 30 days challenge. For meanwhile, right now, I would love to, have a nice breathing exercise with you guys, and one mantra if you would love to hear it from me. So we can start our year with full of positive vibes and positive energy, so that next 30 days we are in full engrossed and involved in ourselves. And you will notice that you will transform your body with that zero, or if you're starting from the scratch to a certain level, you will start rising up. So my dear friends, I just wish you best wishes, and try to commit yourself right from today. Keep that in mind and prepare yourself. From tomorrow I am going to take this 30 days challenge with Yoga with Priyanka Sharma, and you will, yes, and you will see the results. Yes, so let's sit in a comfortable pose wherever you are. Maybe you are on bed, maybe you're on couch, or you are sitting down on chair, wherever. Just sit in a comfortable posture. We will close our eyes, sitting in Dhyan Mudra, the Dhyan Mudra, that is index finger and tip of your thumb meeting each other. Keeping your spine straight with a beautiful smile in your face. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out, let go. One more, inhale. We chant one Omkar. We'll do the mantra. Sahana vavatu, Sahanau bhunaktu, Sahaviryam karavavahai, तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै मा विद्विषावहै मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः You may bring your palms together, rub your palms, create the energies, the urja in your palms. You can place it on your eyes with that few blinks, and with a big smile you can open your eyes. So all my followers and all the yogis who are practitioners and practicing, or you are practitioners, you just make sure that these mantras are a part of a yoga journey, and these are in a Sanskrit language. We will learn more about it as we move in our journey, right? Till then, I will take a leave and see you tomorrow with your yoga mat. Namaste and stay blessed.